Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to go over our new feature, adding an audio property. We will cover how to add audio, how to record audio, and different uses of audio in Outway. Let's start by adding an audio property. From here you're going to press edit, and then you're going to press the plus button. Then select the audio property from the list. Once you're done, you can press save or update and you are all set. Recording audio is just as easy. Just select your location type that has an audio property. Then go ahead and press the record button. You can pause whenever you would like. And once you're done, you'll press save. You can go back in and make sure the audio is what you want, but you're all set to go. You can also add an audio property in libraries. This is super useful for things like having a library of bird species and wanting to know what each bird call sounds like. The same goes for this. Go in, press edit, add the plus, select the audio property, and you're all set. There's so many fun examples of ways to use audio in Outway. Maybe recording ducks quacking. You could also identify unknown bird calls, identify frogs and toads by their croaking. You can even record nearby elk bugling. That's it for audio property. It's super simple, very easy to use, and we're really excited to see how you guys use this new feature. Let us know what guides you'd like to see next, and stay tuned for our next video.